Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Ikea washing machine and it's giving you an error E41. So what is this error and how to get rid of it? So the error itself is a door latch error, so it's sensing that the door is not latching closed properly. So this may mean that you just need to replace the interlock system in the machine. But before I would do that, because that's going to cost you money, you're going to have to order it and you might have to call somebody to do it. I would just make sure that there's nothing else mechanically preventing the door from closing properly. So this could be like if you're putting a bunch of clothes in there and when you go to close the door, clothes flop out and prevent the door from closing properly. It could be something as simple as that. It could also be a buildup of gunk, around the door or around the seal that's just preventing the door from properly closing. And also check inside the latch and everything like that, and make sure there's no gunk, no lint, no soap scum or anything like that that's preventing physically the door from latching properly. And hopefully it's one of those things and you're able to fix it and it gets rid of the error. If not, you're probably just going to want to replace the door interlock, and you might need to call for service for that. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.